How are you today?
Thank you. I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. I have a question from you.
Okay.
Are you originally Arab?
Yes.
Oh, which country?
Do you want to guess? Guess which country?
I guess you live in Saudi Arab? No?
Yeah, maybe.
You are from Saudi Arabia?
I'm from India.
India? India, not Arab.
Yeah, Indian, not Arab.
Oh, I confused.
I'm from Yemen.
Yemen?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
Yemen. I
Yeah.
know Yemen. I know Yemen. I
Yeah,
know.
I know
Yeah.
you know.
Are you living there?
No.
You live in America?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iran. Isfahan. Do you know Isfahan?
Do you live in Iran?
I live in Isfahan. Isfahan is my city.
You don't live in America? Because you're English. Your English is so good. I think you live in Australia or America or Canada.
No,
Where
no,
do you live?
no, no, no. I went to an institute for 1 year. Last year.
Wow. You're smart.
A little, a little smart. Not so smart.
A little bit, right?
Yes, a bit smart.
I'm
Oh,
also a little bit smart, just like you. Me and you, the same, a little bit smart. What's your job?
I'm retired now, but before I was a tailor and teach to young women.
You're retired?
Yes, I'm retired now.
I want to retire too.
Really?
Yeah.
No, retiring is not very good. I'm tired at home. I don't have any job, so I'm tired.